Hello lovelies, thanks for stopping by. Today we are taking banana bread to a whole new level with this heavenly recipe. Trust me, is a fun ride to deliciousness. Welcome to my channel. My name is Teresa Metuka. So to make this heavenly banana bread, we are going to use baking powder, baking soda, have carrots, we have vanilla extract, banana, coconut flakes, coconut chips, buttermilk, sugar, flour, eggs. These are some of the ingredients. As the video proceeds, I'm going to show you more of the other ingredients we're going to use. Baking banana bread is so easy. Like, how can you make this deliciousness in just minutes? Like, you taste it and you're like, oh my god, I feel like I'm in heaven. Baking banana bread seriously is one of the most easy to just get all your ingredients and you're good to go. So I'm adding into this, I'm adding baking powder, baking soda and salt. For the baking powder, I added 1 teaspoon. For the baking soda, I added ½ teaspoon. And for the salt, I added 1/4 teaspoon. Please do well to check the description box for the ingredients measurements. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, thanks for stopping by. Lots of kisses to you. Please do well by clicking on the subscribe button, turn on your notification to get notified of when I drop amazing goodness. Set this aside and move to the next step. So I didn't have already made buttermilk, so I have to make mine myself. So into ½ cup of milk, add ½ tablespoon of vinegar. You can also use lemon as well. Just mix this together and set aside for 5 minutes, and that's it. Your buttermilk is made. So the next thing we want to do is to puree our bananas. Please make use of ripe bananas, because ripe bananas is going to make your banana bread taste so tasty, because it's going to add a natural sweetness to your banana bread. If you want to take your banana bread to another level, make use of overly ripe bananas. They're going to add more natural sweetness to your banana bread and going to make your banana bread very moist. I did not have that patience to keep my bananas to get so ripened. Like, I was tempted to even eat this banana, but I wanted banana bread, so that's why I'm making it. So you can make use of the ripe one, like what I'm using. But like I said, if you want to enjoy that sweetness and that more moisture, you can leave your bananas to get overly ripe, or you can even purchase the overly ripe one. You know, you'll be helping those people that have bananas that are ripe and they don't know what to do with it. You know, they're just counting their losses. So you're going to be helping them out. So maybe that's what I would have done. So next time, that's what I'm going to be doing from now henceforth. So I'll go to the stores. If you have overly ripe bananas, please bring them to me. So you're helping out people and enjoying deliciousness. So what we're going to do is to add our eggs. Mix this together. For all those that keeps coming back to watch my video, thank you so much. You mean a lot to me. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Lots of kisses to you. Add in the buttermilk and sugar. The reason why I'm adding buttermilk is to enhance the moisture of the bread and also to give the bread a subtle tangy flavor, just a hint of tanginess, nothing much. Then add in your grated carrot and coconut flakes. Add in your vanilla extract. Mix this together. There's supposed to be a particular ingredient I'm supposed to add at this point together with it, but I forgot it. So when you're baking, please do assemble all your ingredients so that you don't miss out of any ingredient. I was so lucky that towards the end of the video, I actually remembered these ingredients. Oh my god, it would have been an epic fail. Thank god that it wasn't an epic fail. It was a huge success because I remembered it at the end of the video. Before the end of the video, not at the end, before the end of the video. So add in your flour mixture and mix this. Not too much, just mix this gently. Do not over mix your mixture, as if you do, you are going to end up with a dense bread. Have you clicked on the like button? If you haven't, please do. Do not forget to comment below if you've tried out this recipe, or if you're going to try out this recipe, please let me know the outcome. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do by clicking on the subscribe button. Is free of charge. You can stay connected with me by turning on your notifications to get notified of when I drop new videos. You can check out my other previous videos. I'm going to be dropping some of the link in this video. Like, I have lots of amazing recipes for you to try. Add a lot of amazing different types of bread, lots of cooking, lots of baking. Like, I have lots of things for you. And if you don't know much about baking, you will right channel. I'll have lots of things for you. So the ingredient I forgot about was butter. So I melted some butter, and the butter I'm using is half cup of melted butter. Like, this is so important. It's going to add more flavor, more texture to your bread. So the first part, I was adding wet ingredient. That's where you're supposed to add your melted butter, but like I said, the results came out wonderful, so it wasn't a miss. So add in your chocolate chips and fold this together. Do not over fold, please, so that you don't have a dense bread. Just look at it, you know that this is going to be amazing. From the coconuts to the carrots to the chocolate chips and then the banana, you know that this is it. So do not forget to let me know when you try out this recipe, what outcome. I'd love to hear from you. By now, your oven should be preheated. So you're preheating your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So add your batter into a prepared loaf pan. I just lined my pan with parchment paper for the bread to come off easily. So I'm just adding some almond nuts. This is optional, but I just decided to, give it that, more nutty feeling. Yes. So I get to bake this for 50 to 60 minutes. We know there's a lot of moisture in this bread, so you need to allow your bread to bake well. So this is not the time for you to keep opening your oven. I know all those oven openers. I know I used to be one of them, but I have been redeemed. So please just exercise some patience. Just for 50 to 60 minutes, that's like an hour, your delicious bread will be ready. So just, when you insert toothpick and the bread comes off clean, you know that you're good to go. You've done the right thing. Your bread is properly baked, and here is the result. This deliciousness. Oh my god, you can see how delicious this looks. Like, I didn't even want to share this bread with anyone. I just had to, because I've promised them that I was going to give them banana bread. I'm just fulfilling my promise. But left to me, I would have enjoyed this all by myself. But it's good to share. So it was happy sharing. So it was a good one. So thanks a lot for watching. Thank you so much. If you've enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit on the like button, comment. I'd love to hear from you. I'll catch you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses.